everyone, welcome back to Like Mother, Like Daughter. I'm Twyla. Mojo, can you come here? Good boy. Okay, this is my handsome buddy Mojo. He is my snuggle buddy, and we've got a Bullymake box to open for you. This is the January Bullymake box. Okay, if you don't know what Bullymake box is, I will link down in the description mark all the information about Bullymake. They do send this box to us free for review. It is for that power chewer in your canine family. For that dog that can tear up a toy in 10 seconds. This is the box for them. It has, yes, Mojo is so excited he knows there's treats in here. I will link the price down here. I do have a coupon code if you're interested for $10 off. If you want to use that, feel free. If you don't, I understand. Just go to bullymakebox.com and you can sign up there. The thing that makes Bullymake awesome is that you don't have to get this every month. You could get it every other month. Just send them an email and let them know. If your dog has allergies, just send them an email and let them know, and they will try to curate your box around your dog's allergies. If you get a toy in here and they tear it up within 14 days of receipt of this box, they'll replace it. The January Bullymake box has 2 Bullymake toys in it that they are featuring. This is a gear toy. It is that tough rubber, and it says in here the value is $17. And I can tell you right now, this is very, very cool because you can play catch with this. You can throw that out and they can bring it back. So this is a really cool toy to play catch with that they aren't going to tear up. Oh, that's cute. It says it has a little clever pocket that you can put the large milk bones or the large bully sticks in, and it makes it a fun way for them to eat their treats, plus it can be thrown like a ball. So it's made in the USA from durable natural rubber, and you can also order this from their website. The other toy in here is says Possum Stick, P-A-W-E, Possum Stick. Says it's a great way for chewers to start their 2018. It's designed for the most extreme chewers in mind. Says the ridges add for extra chewing interest and will stand up to even the toughest of pups, made in USA and from USA sourced nylon. Now, it doesn't say that this has a scent, just that it is a extreme chewer chewing toy. Look on the back, they have light chewer, moderate chewer, and extreme chewer. And that's valued at $18. Just these 2 toys right here, $35. Okay, the next things in the box that we have are actually treats. We have, oh, look at Mojo. He's like, oh. Okay, so this is a Bullymake pork Fumbles, made in the USA. Pork, brown rice, pea starch, lentils, pecan hulls. I don't know about that. Let's see. Let's see what Mojo thinks. Oh, these are shaped like footballs. That's cute. Look, it's shaped like a football. It smells good. I smell the garlic. You want that, Mojo? Yes. Houdini is down here by my feet, so I'm going to give her one. I would say he liked that. The next one is from Exclusively Dog, Exclusively Pets, for the dog who is more than a pet. Best Buddy Bones, and they are chicken flavor. There they are, chicken flavor, all made with natural ingredients. Here, let me give this to Houdini. It says wheat flour, sugar, chicken flavor, salt, garlic powder, butter flavor, and turmeric. And then the last one is from True Dogs LLC, Industrial Dogs Sprocket Treats for dogs produced specifically for Bullymake. So I think this is very, very cute because you have a gear toy and you have gear treats. You have football shaped treats for January football. Mojo, do you want this treat? Come here. Okay, sit. Shake. Up. Hey, shake. Good boy. Get treat. Oh, you just want to test it? You're just not sure. Oh, okay. He's eating it. I'm going to give this one to Houdini. So, for the most part, the dogs will eat anything except sweet treats. Mojo doesn't like sweet treats. He doesn't like peanut butter flavored treats, and he doesn't like the sweet treats, but he'll eat anything else. 3 bags of treats, 2 really nice toys for that power chewer, the extreme chewer in your family. And I think that's a really great box. So it's a really great box for the month of January. If you're interested in them, I'll link all their information down below. You can check them out. As I said, they do send this box to the dogs here free for review. And so far, it's a big hit. So, thanks for watching. Come back and see us again soon. Mojo, can you say bye? Come here. Can you say bye to everybody? Oh, be careful. Say bye to everybody. Oh, and here's Miss Houdini. We got Miss Houdini in here too. Yes, hi Houdini. Yes, you're a good girl. I love my dogs. Don't you love your dogs? Come back and see us again. Bye.